Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Hakabai day bat ka Jingdheng ka Jingdheng kali haganong ba Shillong nakaliang ka Director General of Police bat Hima jong ka jilla ka kong ida shisha nongrang IPS kala pentip ba Halor kani kala don ka jingya keren ka jingpet benia batru kiseng ki ban jurim bat ai jingmut kumno ban le bat ban Shem ni kilat kilenti ne ka benta ban punduna ya ka jingkhap nia bat ka Jingdheng kali haganong ba Shillong. Habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor mentaka sngi ningkong jong katayo ka arpotrik ujemang arajar arpusaw nakaliang the Director General of Police kala ong ba ka Tnad Pulit bat ka sarkar jella kala ya keren ru bat ki breu ki ban ki weipat ki jella Halor kumno ban penduna ya ka Jingdheng kali kakong nongrang kala ong ru ka dawba jong ka jingkhap nia ka nong ba Shillong ka dei ne ka jingbam ailat syu ka jaka namar Kaei kepala don Sunpost Snem Mynshwa nado bas dang ni ke jela ka ne bat kumjo pada kitu kipor himpat don gijing penrung kerteng ye ki kali ko makalong menta bar ka jing penrung kerteng ye ki kali kalajan man kasni henrei wat la taru kena kaliang ka Tnad Pulit penyat kali ha nong ba ka don ye ki breu ki bedan benta ki banya keren badru ka don ru ye ki Tnad traikam ne ki seng banya penbait lang.
I would again have to get back to you on that because there have been umpteen exercises that we've conducted even before I left police headquarters, even earlier also. We've had different consultations, we've had different study groups, we've had different organizations look at, make us suggestions as to what we should do and all that. We've talked to people from different states also. The problem with Shillong per se is the fact that we've not been able to expand our own capacity at all. Whatever we had 50 years ago or more than 50 years ago when we became a state, the number of roads in Shillong has remained the same. There has been hardly any widening of any of the roads also. It was the existing roads 50 years ago. Now 50 years ago you hardly had registration of how many vehicles in a year? Not even 100 vehicles in a year. Today we have registration of new vehicles in Shillong, in East Khasilas DTO. The Transport Office registers on an average at least 10 new vehicles every day. The last time we did a study, we had when we were looking at putting, if we were to put the vehicles which were registered just from East Khasilas, from Shillong, in a line, we would the space for that would not be, all your roads would be covered, including all the internal roads. You won't even have enough space for that. So that is a major limitation that we have in controlling traffic. Having said that also, traffic has a lot of other stakeholders also. So it would have to be a holistic approach. It cannot be just the police department. It would be the police department working together, the traffic branch of the police department working together with the other agencies also.